Hello you lot, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today the sun is shining, the strawberries are ripe, and yeah, it's lovely. So I'm going to do a little video of how to make strawberries and cream with a twist. So during the first couple of weeks of July, England, or Britain, goes tennis mad. Except for me, I'm not keen. It's just a load of men and women running around a court with a bat and trying to hit a ball and grunting when they do it. But the other thing Wimbledon's famous for is its strawberries and cream. And so I just looked it up on the website because I had a feeling, as you would, that they would sell these strawberries and cream for huge amounts of money and I could ridicule them a little bit. But as it happens, they sell them for £2.50 for at least 10 strawberries, and they've been doing this for about the last 10 years. So that's just amazing. So the Wimbledon version of strawberries and cream is very simple. It's just a bowl with strawberries in it and some whipping cream that hasn't been whipped, so it's runny. My cream is, you saw it being made last week, it's clotted cream, and the twist is balsamic vinegar and ground black pepper. If you think that sounds weird, you must try it because it just lifts it to another planet. Anyway, if you enjoy this video, press like and all the other things. And let's get on with it before the summer ends. So here's our back garden with our monster crop of strawberries. And you can see we've got straw down underneath them to protect them while they're ripening. And that, well, basically it sort of keeps the beasties off as well. Well, this is amazing for us. This is the most strawberries and the best quality we've ever had. So I am over the moon. And they're all for me because Mrs. KeefCooks doesn't like them. What we need to do is get that leaf and stem off and then hull it, which is just slightly hollow it out. Just cut out the cone at the top where there's that white bit. Oh, you know, you can eat that. This is just for aesthetics because it's prettier. So let's put it all together. This is the clotted cream that I made last week, and there's that much left, which is still quite a hefty amount, really. Anyway, I will get through it. And I said, I think I said it would last 4 or 5 days in the fridge, 5 or 6. It's been over a week and it's fine. So I think, yeah, might last a fortnight. You can also freeze it. So I'm just gonna arrange my strawberries in an artistic fashion. They don't do this at Wimbledon. Spare. You could sprinkle a bit of sugar on if you wish. I'm not going to. Alright, a little dribble of balsamic vinegar. And a sprinkle of ground black pepper. There you go. Strawberries and cream with a twist. Oh yeah. And now it's taste test time with Mr. KeefCooks. Well, if she don't like it, we know. she might show up. You never know. Let's have a strawberry and some cream, and some gravy, and some pepper. Oh yeah. Yeah, like I said, fantastic. We actually first had this at a bar restaurant in Dubai many moons ago when our baby was, maybe 7 or 8. And he loved it, we loved it. And so if ever we went to anybody's house and they had strawberries and cream, he would grab himself a bowl and then he'd ask for the black pepper and balsamic vinegar. And people thought, oh my God, what is it? A weirdo or a chef or what? Anyway, it really works. Do try it. So, thanks for watching and see you next time.